Alrighty, so I've recently been really liking modeling just half of the part and then mirroring the entire body over when we have a centerline symmetric. So that's exactly what this part is, symmetric about this centerline. So I said, okay, I'm just going to model half of the part and then we'll go from there. So this is fairly straightforward. I probably could have started from the side view rather than going front over, especially because we have kind of this profile here. Start with that profile, extrude it out, then get our cut in there while we're at it, and then also just get this little flange at the very end. A couple of other things to point out. There is a exploit called the Ivan exploit, and this is a model that I made use of that in. Essentially, it does not matter where these holes are positioned in this face. All that matters is that they go all the way through this face and don't clip any of these edges. The reason being is that a hole between two parallel faces is going to remove the same amount of mass from that part regardless of where it's positioned. Same thing with these countersunk holes. I did not have to dimension where those are positioned. I just had to cut them through that face, made sure that it was complete circles, etc., etc. And I didn't really have to fully define those sketches. Again, this is just for the purpose of speed modeling, getting this model done as quickly as possible, not so for actually having this be a production ready part. Again, if I want to produce this part properly, then I'm going to actually fully define everything and make sure that everything's positioned properly, and I'm not just using some random counter bores and some random dowel holes with custom sizings applied to them. I'm actually going through and properly making this a screwed or a toleranced screw hole. So again, model half the part, mirror the entire part over at the end. Super simple. In this case, again, the big thing was I should have started modeling from the side view, get this angled shape out of the way really quickly so I didn't have to do that extra cut extrude. Just do that in the initial boss extrude and move on from there. So let's do that second time around, see how much faster we get.